In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Asana. If you're looking to streamline your project management and enhance collaboration within your team, forms are a fantastic tool to get started with. They allow you to collect information in an organized manner, making it easier to manage tasks and track progress. So let's dive right in and see how you can create a form in Asana. First, you'll need to open Asana in your web browser. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in Asana, the next step is to navigate to the project where you want to create a form. You can do this by clicking on your desired project from your project list, which can usually be found on the left-hand side of the screen. This will open up all the details related to your specific project. After selecting your project, look for the Customize button. This button is typically located at the top of your project interface. Clicking on Customize will open a menu with various project settings and options that you can modify to suit your needs. Once you've opened this menu, you'll see an option labeled Forms. Go ahead and click on Forms to proceed. Now that you're in the Forms section, you'll have the opportunity to add a new form. Click on the Add Form button to begin creating your form. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to tailor your form to collect exactly the information you need. As you start building your form, consider the type of information that will be most beneficial for your project. You might want to include fields for names, email addresses, deadlines, or any other information that is pertinent to the tasks at hand. As you add fields to your form, take advantage of the customization options available. You can adjust the field types to suit different kinds of input, such as text, drop-downs, or dates. This flexibility allows you to design a form that is both comprehensive and user-friendly, ensuring that those filling it out can provide the necessary information without any confusion. Once you've designed your form and filled in all the necessary fields, review it to ensure everything is in order. It's important to double-check that your form accurately reflects the information you wish to gather and that it aligns with the goals of your project. When you're satisfied with your form, you can save it and begin using it within your team. And there you have it! You've successfully created a form in Asana. By following these steps, you can enhance your project management capabilities and improve the way your team collaborates. Whether you're working on a small task or a large-scale project, forms in Asana can help keep everything organized and running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!